Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's see what we're going to get done today on the Coupe. Right, today my friends, I really want to make the brackets to attach the grille to the frame so that I don't have to keep messing about with all this front end. It will just basically bolt onto something instead of just using gravity and you know that thing you used to do with the playing cards to stack them and make. That's pretty much how this is sitting at the moment. So I want a more permanent solution to that. So let's see. I do have the brackets for the fenders somewhere. Oh yeah. Okay. These guys, right? So, yeah, I'll lay it down for now. So these sections, obviously that curve sits in there, okay, and then it goes down that way and attaches to the frame and the grille shell, okay, on the inside of that. So that's what I'm going to work on today and see how far we get. Let's dismantle yet again. Right, let's see where we're at. So, as I said before, this holds the fender in position. Now, it would normally bolt onto the frame with those two holes, but as you can see, that's not going to work. So, my plan is to put this somewhere. I need to cut a section out of here, maybe there, basically the distance that it is short from there to the grill. I need to cut out here and then make an extra bit of angled bar to join it closer so that that section there is close to that section there, down there. Okay, now this thing does two things. It holds the fender in place, but it also holds the grille shell in place. So from there, and then there's a beam inside, and then over the other side, so that will be kind of one complete structural part. So yeah, let's work on this. I'll probably drill holes through the frame to accommodate those two holes, then bolt this section onto the frame. So maybe just cut that, bolt these through, and then work out the spacing I need to cut for that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I've spared you all the grunt work. Excuse me. Okay, I'll show you what I've done then. So, as I say, chopped off this section which used to curve round to that section there. So there's a whole section missing from there because that has to move over to there. Well, not over that far, but you know what I mean. So, drilled all the way through to here. Used carriage bolts because there was a handy little square in these sections. Same on the other side. So what I'm going to do next is attach both of these sections and this little crossbar to the inside of the rad shell. So this will be attached to that, the one on the other side, one complete unit, and then we'll present it to the frame, and then we can work out the distance we need to add metal from there to there. Right, let's give it a go. And as if by magic, it is done. Yeah, it's far from done. So I need to put the hood on, slap the wings on, the fenders, sorry, and see how we are for distance. Oh my god, I've never seen this place so busy since this coronavirus. Everyone's out. So much for staying at home. Anyway, so there's a really, really crappy design in this. I must be missing something, but hey. So anyway, the crossbar thing is attached to the knee bones, attached to the elbow. No, okay, so that's attached to this. This is attached to the inside bit. Anyway, the bad design part. The front fenders obviously sit in there, but they actually bolt in there. So you have to somehow. It looks like you would have to do it all at once, which I'm not going to do. What I'm saying is the parts that join are like these holes here, okay? So you would have to do it all at once. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that section out there. That one's already wrecked anyway. So cut a slot there, cut a slot there, and then all I have to do is loosen those bolts and then slot the fenders in. That'll take care of that section. So give me a minute, I'll slap it all together and see how it looks. Not too bad. We have a couple of clearance issues. So what I was saying before, that hole and that hole have to go between that and that. So if you loosen the bolt there, loosen the bolt there, that'll open that gap. Cut that, slide it in. I also have to cut a notch out of here because it would be hitting the new cross member that I made. Same on the other side. Overall, pretty good. Alignment looks not too bad. Not bad at all. Remember, the body's still to come up an inch or so. So that slope there will be, it should be a bit spot on. Right, let me do some more cutting and then I'll wrap it up for today. Right, not too bad. Still got some clearance issues. All those nuts and bolts that I put in are a wee bit long, so I might need to file them down. But that's fitting nice. That's not fitting quite so nice. I'm having trouble with the integrity of this. It's kind of one to fold like that a little bit, so I need to put some bracing maybe from there over to there on the inside, keep it straight. Ideally these need to go back a little bit, as you can see with that gap there. That's kind of tilted that way a little bit because they're not sitting properly on those supports at the moment. That side's actually not too bad, that's sitting, yeah, again ideally it should go back a little bit. You can see the gap there. Certainly not going to win any show car awards, but the wheel is pretty much centered. Yeah, you know what, it could all go back a little bit. Yeah, it could go back an inch and that's the best of both worlds. Yeah, definitely that could go back there an inch and that will be more centered, so that will solve things. Okay, that's me for another day. Jeez, you. Right, don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. Back at it though. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, ring a bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling. See you soon. Bye.